Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 12 April 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 1 and name of the chapter is family. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in previous video, student, I am teaching you we are doing book exercises of the chapter 1 and we have completed the first question. Choose the correct option. This question is MCQ question. For one answer, 3 options are given and we have to choose the right option. Now student, today we will start with question number B. Mark, tick for the correct and cross for the incorrect statement. So it means question number B, this is a true or false. The statements are given and we have to find out whether the given statement is true. If the statement is true, then we tick the statement, and if the statement is false, then we cross the statement. Question number B. Mark right for the correct and cross for incorrect statements. So student, this is question number B, and mark right sign you have to mark for the correct and cross for incorrect statement. So first question is grandparents are part of a nuclear family. Again, I am repeating a very important information for you student. बुक एक्सरसाइजेस यू विल कंप्लीट इन द बुक ओनली। ठीक है, जो बुक एक्सरसाइज मैं ऑफलाइन वीडियोस में करा रहा हूं बेटा, बुक एक्सरसाइज हम बुक में ही करेंगे। यू विल नॉट राइट बुक एक्सरसाइजेस इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी। इज इट क्लियर? बुक एक्सरसाइजेस you will complete in the book only. In classwork copy we will write question answers of the chapter and diagrams of the chapter. In classwork copy what we have to write? In classwork copy we have to write question answers of the chapter and we will draw the diagram of the chapter. Is it clear? Now first question is, grandparents are part of a nuclear family. So first of all let's discuss what is a nuclear family. So what are the members of a nuclear family? Father, mother, one or more children. See, what are the members of the nuclear family, student? The member of the nuclear family are father, mother, one or more children. So, and in this question it is given grandparents are part of a nuclear family. So, this is a wrong statement. This is a wrong statement. So I put cross between the bracket. Grandparents are part of a nuclear family? No. So I put cross because members of a nuclear family, here I have written nuclear family member. Nuclear family members. So what are the member of a nuclear family? Father, mother, one or more children. So this is a nuclear family, and in which grandparents are in joint family. So this statement is a wrong statement. That is the reason I put cross inside the bracket. Okay, note down. Question number 2. Question number 2. Twins always have something twins always have something in common. So student, when we are talking about the twins, so first of all understand what are twins. If two children, or you can say if two baby born at the same time, ठीक है, तो that is known as twins. If two children born at the same time, okay, if two children born at the same time, that is known as twins. And twins are identical also, student. Twins are identical also. They look similar. So now here the question is, twins always have something in common. Yes, this is true. If it is a, if you see the twins, they have many things common. ट्विंस बच्चे जो होते हैं जिन्हें हिंदी में हम लोग जुड़वा बच्चे भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. सो इट इज ट्रू स्टेटमेंट, इट इज ट्रू टू से दैट इन ट्विंस मैनी थिंग्स आर कॉमन. ठीक है, बहुत सी हैबिट्स भी उनकी कह सकते हो, बहुत सी चीजें उनकी कॉमन्स होती हैं. कभी कभी तो वो बिल्कुल सेम होते हैं, उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो ऐसे को क्या बोलते हैं, आइडेंटिकल ट्विंस, जो बिल्कुल ही सेम दिखते हैं, आइडेंटिकल ट्विंस. तो क्वेश्चन है, ट्विंस आल्सो हैव समथिंग इन कॉमन. सो दिस इज द राइट स्टेटमेंट. सो दिस इज ए राइट स्टेटमेंट, नोट डाउन. Twins always have something common. Yes, this is a right statement. Next question. Third, members of a family, members of a family, members of a family take care of each other. So question is, member of a family take care of each other. See, so yes student, this is a true statement. So whether the family is joint family or whether the family is nuclear family, so whether the family is a joint family or whether the family is a nuclear family, this statement is common for both the families, because member of a family take care of each other. For example, in present time आप small kids हो, ठीक है, you are studying in third standard, your age is between 7 to 8 years. So who take care all the time? Your mother cook food for you, your mother help you in your studies also, and whenever you are sick, your parents take care of you, they take to the hospital. So many of the things which your parents do for you. Is it clear? Cooking food, at the time when you are sick, they take care, take you to the hospital. They play also with you, they even teach you, your mother wash your clothes also. So there are many activities in which your parents help you. In the same manner, when you can also help your parents also, ठीक है, by giving them one glass of water ही दे दिया. Is it clear? So in this manner, in a family, every member, जो भी family के member होते हैं, they all take care of each other. ठीक है? Is it clear मान लो आपके मम्मी सिक हो गई, बीमार हो गई, तो आपको चिंता होती है ना अपनी मम्मी की भी, मेरी मम्मी बीमार हो गई है, जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए। तो हम सब फैमिली के मेंबर्स आपस में एक दूसरे की केयर करते हैं। सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू फॉर ज्वाइंट फैमिली आल्सो, उसके लिए भी ट्रू है, और न्यूक्लियर फैमिली आल्सो। ज्वाइंट फैमिली में जैसे तुम्हारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा ओल्ड हो जाते हैं वो लोग, तो आप उनको टाइम टू टाइम मेडिसिन दे सकते हो, फ्रेश फ्रूट्स दे सकते हो। when the people become old at that time, even they can't walk, there lot of problem in walking also, so you help them by giving them the stick, or you help them in walking also, you help them by changing the, with the help of a remote, changing the channels, ये भी आप हेल्प कर सकते हो, रिमोट से चैनल्स चेंज कर दिए, द चैनल विच दे वांट टू सी आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स। इज इट क्लियर? सो इन मैनी वेज यू कैन हेल्प योर अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स आल्सो। ऐसा नहीं है आप छोटे हो, आप भी कुछ ना कुछ हेल्प अपने पेरेंट्स की, और अगर आपके फैमिली में ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं तो आप उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हो बाय गिविंग देम मेडिसिन, बाय गिविंग देम glass of water to drink. Is it clear? So such type of a help you can also do in the family. So member of a family take care of each other. Yes, this is right. So in between the bracket I put the sign of tick. Yes, this is the correct statement. Question number 4. It is not essential that family members would always resemble each other. So in this question, what is the meaning of this question? It is not essential that family members would always resemble each other. So ये कह रहा है कि ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि फैमिली के मेंबर्स हमेशा आपस में रिसेंबल करते हैं, कि इसका कहने का मतलब है ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि फैमिली मेंबर्स जो हैं आपस में उनमें कोई सिमिलरिटी होनी चाहिए, ये कोई कंपल्सरी नहीं है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है। सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट, क्योंकि चैप्टर फैमिली चैप्टर व्हेन आई एम टीचिंग यू चैप्टर फैमिली एट दैट टाइम मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था फैमिली मेंबर्स रिसेंबल, बताया था ना, रिसेंबल मीन्स फैमिली मेंबर्स हैव सिमिलरिटीज who you look like, maybe you look like your father or your mother or both the parents. हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स से हमारी कुछ ना कुछ सिमिलरिटी तो होती ही है, और इस क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर से हमारे में रिसेंबल मीन्स कोई सिमिलरिटी हो, तो दैट इज द रीजन दिस इज अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. Now student, book exercises we have completed. Okay, book exercises we have completed. We have completed the book exercises of the chapter. Okay, we have completed book exercises of the chapter. Now you take out your classwork copy. Now what I am writing on the board, you will note down that work in your classwork copy. So some of the definition before writing the question answers, we will write few definition on this chapter. ठीक है, जो डिफाइन में आपको एग्जाम में आता है. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखने से पहले डिफाइन में क्या क्या करना है, दैट आई एम राइटिंग, यू नोट डाउन फ्रॉम द बोर्ड. डिफाइन करने के लिए मीन्स डेफिनेशंस, इसे डिफाइन करना है 1 और 2 लाइन में कि व्हाट आर दिस. फर्स्ट वन हम लिख रहे हैं, यू विल नोट डाउन दिस वर्क इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी. फर्स्ट वन है फैमिली. फैमिली ओके, मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको ये टीच कर रखा है. अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु आर यूनाइटेड एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन हाउ दे आर यूनाइटेड, कैसे आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं, व्हाट इज द रीजन, बाय बर्थ, adoption or by marriage, that forms a family. So if in the exam if it come what is a family, then you will write a group of people, a group of people who are united, a group of people who are united by birth, marriage, or adoption form a family. Is it clear? डिफाइन में फर्स्ट स्टडी में हमने किया व्हाट इज फैमिली, अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु आर यूनाइटेड बाय बर्थ, मैरिज और एडॉप्शन फॉर्म ए फैमिली. नेक्स्ट नोट डाउन. Next, second one, joint family. So what is a joint family? A joint family is a large joint family is a large family. The grandparents joint family is a large family. The grandparents the grandparents parents and children all live together. If it come in the examination, define joint family. A joint family is a large family. And student, after that, what are the members of joint family? So the members are the grandparents, parents and children all live together. That is known as joint family. And if you want to add, you can also write that in a joint family you have grandparents, parents, their children, uncles, aunts and their children live together. क्योंकि जॉइंट फैमिली इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स है. कहीं कहीं जॉइंट फैमिली में ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ही होते हैं और पेरेंट्स होते हैं. हाँ, मान लो आपके पेरेंट्स के भाई हैं और वो भी मैरिड हैं तो अंकल आंट्स भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. इफ इट इज कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन डिफाइन जॉइंट फैमिली, आप इतना भी लिख दोगे देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स. ए जॉइंट फैमिली इज अ लार्ज फैमिली और यू कैन से ए जॉइंट फैमिली इज अ बिग फैमिली. The grandparents, parents and children all live together. Next, nuclear family. So in nuclear family is a small family it has what are the member of a family? It has a mother, a father and one or more children. Nuclear family is a small family. It has mother, a father and one or more children. Thank you, student.